Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to experience One UI 9 on your any iPhone or Android. So let's begin. Okay, before start guys, let me tell you this is just One UI 9 experience, not complete UI or OS. So let's begin. Okay guys, go to your browser, go to Google. After go to Google, search Try Galaxy in Google. Tap on first website. Okay, I will turn off dark mode. Simply tap on Try Now and look at this instruction. Simply go to Option, go to Add Page to and tap on Home Screen. And guys, add this on home screen. Simply tap on add, and after add, look at this Try Galaxy add on your home screen. Simply open and One UI 9 experience on your Android device. Look at this. Okay, before I complete review, let me show you also on iPhone. Okay, same process also on iPhone. Simply go to Safari browser, go to Google and search Try Galaxy. After search Try Galaxy, tap on Accept, tap on Try Now and simply tap on 3 lines. And guys, tap on Share. After tap on Share, tap on View More and scroll and look at this Add to Home Screen. Simply tap on Add to Home Screen, tap on Add and look at this Try Galaxy. Simply open and Try Galaxy also on your iPhone. Simply tap on Next. Look at this complete One UI 9 experience, Control Center, Notification panel, setting. Guys, if you go to display, look at this privacy display option. Now go to wallpaper and style and you also change color from color palette. Look at this. Simply enable color palette option and you also change colors. Now look at this app drawer. If you go to themes, guys, you also change themes. Look at this S26 Galaxy Z Flip 8. Simply tap and apply. And this is new theme. Gallery, camera, so guys, you also experience One UI 9 on your any Android or iPhone. Remember, this is just experience, not complete UI or OS. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.